Hello everyone! So today I'll be doing the homemade ice cream experiment for chemistry, and I'll be explaining why do we need salt and how does it react with ice. So for this experiment, our ingredients are going to be a towel, but if you have gloves instead, then you can use gloves. We'll need a cup of ice, half a cup of whipping cream, half a cup of milk, a cup of rock salt, 2 plastic zipped bags. We'll need a large sized one and a medium or small sized one, a mixing bowl, a teaspoon of vanilla powder, and a tablespoon of sugar. First of all, in the small zipping bag, we're going to add milk, whipping cream, vanilla extract, and sugar. And then we close the bag. So we've closed the bag over there. We closed it. Now we get this. We get the bigger zipper. We get the cup of salt. We put it in. And then we add the ice. Now what we do is pull this bag upwards and add our creamy mixture inside carefully, and then we close it. Now we got the salt and ice inside. So what we do is get a towel, put this inside, and then close it like that. After shaking our mixture for about 10 minutes, we'll notice that it changed from liquid state to solid state. Now let's take a look on the explanation. First, we need to look at what a melting point is and what happens during melting. The melting point of a substance is the temperature at which the change in state from a solid to liquid begins. When a substance is in its solid state, its molecules are tightly packed together. When we increase the temperature of a substance, we're adding energy in the form of heat. Once the amount of energy added to our substance equals the substance melting point, the molecules with enough energy begin to spread apart and transition from a solid state to a liquid state. If this level of energy is not maintained and the substance is allowed to cool or lose enough energy equal to its freezing point, it will gradually revert back to a solid state. When we add salt or sodium chloride into our ice, it separates into sodium and chloride ions. These additional particles in our mixture disrupt the ability of our ice to freeze. The more salt we add, the more it affects the freezing and melting point of our ice. This change in melting point forces our ice to begin absorbing energy from its surrounding and causing it to melt at a much lower temperature than normal. But where is the ice going to get the energy it needs to melt? Our ice pulls the energy it requires to melt from our cream mixture and the surrounding environment. As our ice gains energy from the warm cream and gradually changes state from the solid to liquid, the cream is losing energy and gradually changing state from a liquid to a solid. Once our cream mixture has lost enough energy, it completes its transition from a liquid to a solid. And now we have a tasty ice cream.